Why my Samsung AC is not working with remote, easy fix in minutes. Your Samsung AC isn't working with the remote because of a common issue like dead batteries, an obstructed sensor, or a problem with the remote itself. To fix this, first try replacing the batteries and cleaning both the remote's emitter and the AC's receiver sensor. You can also check the remote's signal using your phone's camera and try a full power cycle by unplugging the AC at the breaker for several minutes. Firstly, check the remote and its signal. Replace batteries. Swap the old batteries for a fresh set, ensuring they are installed with the correct polarity, plus or minus. Clean the remote. Use a soft cloth to wipe the remote's infrared emitter, which is the part that sends the signal. Check for obstructions. Make sure there is a clear line of sight between the remote and the AC unit's receiver, which is usually on the front panel. Test the signal. Point any button on the remote at your smartphone's camera and press the button. A functioning remote will show a blinking light on your phone screen. Check for interference. Strong lights, such as fluorescent or neon lights, can interfere with the signal. Try turning them off or moving the AC and remote away from them. Secondly, troubleshoot the AC unit. Power cycle. Unplug the AC unit from the circuit breaker for at least 5 minutes. This can resolve memory issues in the unit's control board. Clean the AC's sensor. Clean the IR receiver sensor on the AC's front panel to ensure it's not blocked by dust. Check for lock or sleep mode. Ensure the AC is not in a locked or sleep mode. Try manual controls. If the AC has manual controls, use them to turn it on and off. If you can control the unit manually, the issue is likely with the remote or the AC's control board. If the remote still doesn't work after trying these steps, the remote itself may be faulty and need replacing. If the AC still doesn't respond to the remote, the control board inside the unit might be damaged, and a professional may be needed for replacement.